Health alert tonight. There's been a surge of coronavirus cases in 3 countries, Italy, Iran, and South Korea. The total number of cases outside China now sits at 2,074. While the number of deaths has risen to 23 as the virus continues to spread globally, fear is rising and we're on the verge of a world pandemic. Is that true or no?
Well, the World Health Organization said this morning that no, the coronavirus has not reached that status. Our chief health editor, Dr. Parthanani, joins us now with more on this. So, Doc, are we edging closer to a pandemic status?
So, Alan and Glenda, there are several criteria that need to be met before the World Health Organization declares a pandemic. First of all, there have to be epidemics, not just outbreaks, in many countries and continents at the same time. The World Health Organization also considers the severity of the disease along with the impact it has on society as a whole. And right now they say that we're not dealing with uncontained global spread or large-scale disease or death. However, is a pandemic possible? Absolutely. The viral does have that potential since it's so very contagious. But looking on the bright side, the decline of cases in China has continued, which to me is very encouraging news.
So, Dr. Nandi, what about the CDC's most recent numbers? Can you update us on that?
Absolutely, Glenda. The CDC has broken down the COVID-19 case numbers into 2 distinct categories. Under the heading titled Confirmed Cases in the United States, there are 12 positive travel-related cases and 2 person-to-person spread cases. And under the heading titled Cases Amongst Persons Repatriated to the United States, there are 3 positive cases from Yuan, China, and 36 positive cases from the cruise ship, the Diamond Princess cruise ship. So when all these numbers are added up, you have a total of 53 people right here in the U.S. that have tested positive for the coronavirus. Now, I should mention these numbers do not include anyone who was flown back on State Department chartered flights.
So, Doc, a lot of us want to know, how long can the coronavirus actually survive on contaminated surfaces?
And my patients have asked the same question. And unfortunately, Alan, we don't really know. And that's because it's an emerging disease, so there's still a lot we need to learn about it. But scientists who've studied other coronaviruses like SARS and MERS know that they can live on things like plastic, metal, and glass for up to 9 days. But if the temperature is higher than 86 degrees, they won't live as long. And a good way to get rid of them is with household disinfectants. Now, again, we don't know if this all applies to the COVID-19 as well. And the CDC has noted that this novel coronavirus is thought to be transmitted mainly via person to person. But we'll stay up to date because things are changing every day, and we'll let you know what's going on.
All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you for the update. If you have a question or health concern for the good doctor, email him at drnandi@askdrnandi.com or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter, and we'll get it right to him.